2018 Volvo dump truck. 4 extra axles plus the 2 tandem axles. It's a huge dump truck right here, guys. It's a huge dump truck. 2018. See if we can see the inside though. Nice, man. Check that all up. The doors are locked.